If you've been searching for a phone that completely ignores the traditional rules of mobile performance and goes all in on raw gaming capability, this may be the device that you've been waiting for. In this video, I'm going to be partnering with REDMAGIC to take a look at the REDMAGIC 11S Pro. Over the last few weeks, I put this phone through absolute torture, testing across some of the most resource-heavy titles. We're talking full-blown sessions on Fortnite, Call of Duty Mobile, Asphalt Legends, and several other games, and it's safe to say this phone handles every single one of them like an absolute champ. Under the hood, it's packing Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 leading version, an active liquid cooling setup that looks like it belongs on a high-end gaming PC, and a suite of dedicated esports features engineered purely to give you a competitive edge. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, let's take a look at the design. REDMAGIC has always nailed futuristic, gamer-focused aesthetics, but the 11S Pro takes visual design to a completely new level. I have the Night Freeze version here, and the star of the show has to be the visualized ice blue liquid pulse cooling ring built right into the center of the rear panel. Watching the liquid actively circulate through the channels alongside the customizable RGB turbo fan is unlike anything that I've ever seen on a smartphone, and it looks incredible. Another huge design highlight is the rear profile. It features a completely flat back with zero camera bump. When you lay this phone flat on the table, you don't have any wobble that you would normally get from a camera bump. More importantly, when you're holding it horizontally in landscape mode for hours, your fingers aren't awkwardly resting against a bulky camera housing. Around the chassis, REDMAGIC has integrated side frame RGB light strips that sync with your gameplay, a dedicated hardware slider to launch into game space, and a classic 3.5mm headphone jack up top so you can plug in wired headsets for zero audio latency. On top of all that, it's backed by an IPX8 water resistance rating paired with a specialized dustproof internal architecture. Taking a look at the front, you're greeted by a massive 6.85-inch BOE X10 AMOLED display featuring a crisp 2688 by 1216 resolution and an incredible 95.3% screen-to-body ratio. But what makes the display so special is actually what's missing. There's no notch, no hole punch cutout, and no forehead bezel. Thanks to REDMAGIC's advanced under-display camera technology, your entire front view is pure, uninterrupted display space. Gaming on this screen feels amazingly smooth thanks to the 144Hz high refresh rate. Touch responsiveness is practically instantaneous, supported by a massive 3000 Hz instant touch sampling rate. REDMAGIC also included Magic Touch 4.0 with wet hand mode. This means even if your hands get sweaty during intense late game firefights or hot summer gaming sessions, every tap and swipe registers accurately without annoying phantom touches. When it comes to pure horsepower, the 11S Pro is an absolute monster. Driven by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 leading version, the prime CPU cores push up to a staggering 4.74 GHz. Working alongside Qualcomm's chip is REDMAGIC's proprietary RedCore R4 coprocessor and Energy Cube 3.0, which dynamically allocates hardware resources, cooling power, and touch sensitivity in real time based on what's happening in your game. In real-world gaming scenarios, the results are incredible. In fast-paced arcade racers like Asphalt Legends and tactical shooters like Call of Duty Mobile, frame rates remained locked at maximum capacity with pristine graphical fidelity. When jumping into heavy strategy titles like Heroes of History, high-density battles and complex animations loaded effortlessly with zero slowdown. And then there's Fortnite, which is notorious for dropping frames during Battle Royale in-games. I ran extended sessions at top settings and I noticed zero stuttering and zero ghosting throughout my gameplay. The image clarity remained pin sharp and motion remained buttery smooth no matter how chaotic the action on screen got. Top tier performance is fantastic, but the hardware feature that genuinely changes how you play is the dual 520Hz capacitive shoulder triggers embedded right into the side frame. Through the GameSpace software menu, you can map these physical triggers to simulate a touch anywhere on your screen. For games like Fortnite and Call of Duty, this completely transforms the control scheme. I programmed the right shoulder trigger specifically for rapid fire in Fortnite instead of cramming my fingers onto a small glass screen or constantly tapping a virtual shoot button. I could comfortably keep both thumbs dedicated to movement and aiming while using my index finger to fire continuously. It gives you controller-style comfort, faster reaction speeds, and a huge advantage in every single engagement. Sustaining 4.74 GHz clock speeds without thermal throttling requires unprecedented cooling technology, which brings us to the REDMAGIC AquaCore cooling system. This is definitely my favorite part of the phone. This stands as the only mass-produced smartphone in the world featuring an active flowing fluorinated liquid cooling circulation system. Non-conductive AI server-grade liquid flows through micron laser-cut channels to pull heat straight away from critical processing components. Combine that liquid circuit with Liquid Metal 3.0, the industry's largest 13,116 square millimeter vapor chamber, and a 24,000 RPM waterproof turbofan operating at a whisper quiet volume under 30 decibels, and thermal dissipation efficiency is boosted by 50%. Even during multi-hour gaming marathons, the body stays comfortable in your hands, ensuring your processor never throttles frame rates. Battery performance on this device is phenomenal. REDMAGIC managed to fit a massive 7,500 mAh battery inside the exact same chassis footprint. Using this phone strictly as a dedicated gaming device, I consistently got hours upon hours of nonstop play on a single charge. When you do need to recharge, it features 80-watt wired fast charging, 80-watt wireless fast charging, and two-way reverse charging capabilities. Rounding out the package are high-fidelity stereo speakers, punchy 0815X axis haptics, built-in Google Gemini AI features, and an upgraded game space engine loaded with real-time performance tweaks, customizable crosshairs, and voice controls. At the end of the day, if you're looking for the absolute peak of mobile gaming performance, the REDMAGIC 11S Pro sits in a category all by itself. Between the raw power, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 leading version, AquaCore liquid cooling system, endless battery life, and those game-winning shoulder triggers, this device is an absolute beast. Let me know in the comments below what game you'd test first on this phone. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.